What's up guys, it's Elliot from Empirical 360 and today I'm going to show you how to create lookalike audiences inside Facebook. So let's dive right in here. So first I'm going to tell you what a lookalike audience is, and then I'm going to do a live walkthrough on how to create one. So a lookalike audience is a way to reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they're similar to your already existing customers. So this is pulled straight from Facebook, this definition. What that means is you can create a list of people who have, let's say, converted on your website or bought one of your products on your site if you have an e-commerce shop, and then you can create an audience in Facebook that looks just like those people. So they match up the data points and they create a brand new audience so you can now target new people. It's a good way to prospect for people who are similar to your existing customers. And down here there's a little blurb straight from Facebook. They generally recommend a source audience with between 1,000 and 50,000 people. So you probably want to wait a little bit before you go right into creating a lookalike audience, just so that they have more data to work with and it's an accurate audience. So let's dive right in. So I'm here in the audience tab of our Facebook account. And in my last video, how to create custom audiences, I created a thank you page audience. And so what that means is someone filled out a form on our website. They hit this page here on our website. This means they filled out a form and we're just saying thank you. It's a redirect. And now I can measure all the people who have hit this page. So those are all my existing leads. Now let's say I want to tell Facebook, okay, I want to find people just like these people and show my ads to them. So here's my audience. It's called thank you page 90 days. That means I have 90 days worth of people in there that have completed a form. I go here to create audience and I select lookalike audience. And so why that other audience is important is you need a source to base this audience on. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to other sources and I'm going to find that audience. It's called thank you page 90 days. Looks like it's in alphabetical order here. So here it is, thank you page 90 days. There's no one in this audience yet because I had just created it for our previous video. And then I'm going to select the location, so where to base this on. And so we're in the United States, so I will choose United States. And that's it. And now you select the audience size. And so the higher you take this tab, the more broad that audience get and the looser the targeting. It's just a way to really hunt for more people. So in the beginning, you want to keep it at 1%, and it's going to name this 1% of US thank you page 90 days. So these are all the leads that we've collected in the last 90 days, and it's going to create a lookalike off of that. And all I do is I click create audience. And just like that, here's my audience. So now when I go into my ads manager and I want to set up an ad set, I can target this audience directly to show new ads to. That's all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.